This is the rare red. Most all red cars in '57 were flame red. In July of '57, Ford announced we're not going to build any more of the two-seater birds. The '58 model will be a four-seater luxury car. Car collectors and investors stepped in and ordered T-Birds to the magnitude that Ford Motor Company stopped production on the '58 after about 4 to 6 weeks and went back to building '57 T-Birds, but they painted them '58 colors because that's the paint they already had mixed. It's a factory torch red. It's a '58 color on a '57 Bird. Quite rare all over.